Hello class, welcome back. In today's lesson we are going to look at adverbs of frequency. Objectives. By the end of the lesson I will be able to 1. Explain what an adverb of frequency is. 2. List 9 adverbs of frequency. 3. Identify where an adverb of frequency should go in a sentence. Adverbs of frequency definition. What is it? Well, the adverb of frequency is a word which tells us how often something happens or how often it takes place. Look at this picture here. Adverbs of frequency. An adverb of frequency tells us how often something takes place. So we have 100% always, 90% usually, 80% normally or generally, 70% often or frequently, 50% sometimes, 30% occasionally, 10% seldom, 5% rarely, 0% never. Number 1, as an example for you, I always wake up at 6 o'clock. I usually come home after work. I normally swim after school. I often spend Christmas with friends. I sometimes play tennis on the weekend. I occasionally eat Vietnamese food. I seldom go to the library. I rarely listen to the radio. I never listen to rock music. More examples. I never drink onion juice. I always brush my teeth twice daily. So now class, I will show you how to use the position of adverbs of frequency, showing you where the adverbs of frequency go in a sentence. So the adverbs of frequency go before the main verb. So, for example, I always eat dinner. If we look at this sentence here, the main verb is eat. So we put the word always, the adverb of frequency, before the main verb. So I've tried to make it simple for you class. Step 1, identify the main verb. Step 2, put the adverb of frequency before the main verb. Now class, the verbs to be are, am, is, was, were, been and being. They are used to describe or tell us the condition of people, things, places and ideas. Now class, this is important because if we have the verb to be in a sentence, then the adverb of frequency goes in a different place. I'm going to show you now. So, if the main verb is the verb to be, the adverb of frequency goes after the verb to be. Examples. We are kind people. So if we look at the word are, that is the verb to be. So what we must do in this situation is put the adverb of frequency after the verb to be. We are always kind to people. John is early. So the verb here is and is the verb to be. So can you guess the next one? John is always early. So the adverb of frequency goes after the verb to be is here. I am hungry. The verb to be is am. So where does the adverb of frequency go here? It goes after. I am sometimes hungry. Tim was thirsty. Tim was sometimes thirsty. Tasks. Complete the worksheet. Step 1. Write on the worksheet. Step 2. Copy your answers into your exercise books. Okay class, thank you for watching.